Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with a BG, and today I am doing a quick look at the Nathan QuickStart 2.0 4-liter. It is a running hydration pack. You could probably also use it for day hiking as well. So let's take a look at some of the features. So it has a 1.5 liter Camelback style water bladder. We'll open it up and look in a second. It has 3 pockets here on the front. So this one is a zipper pocket, and it is large enough to hold most phones. So opening that up. It also has this small package where you can keep pouch where you can keep snacks or goos or that type of nutrition. And then finally, it has this larger pocket. It can hold 22-liter or milliliter water bottles. Yeah, so pretty decent size. Flipping it around to the back, you can see that there is this smaller pocket right here. And then finally, there's a bigger pocket. You open it up, and there is the wide mouth bladder right there. But it's also partitioned, so you have tons of room, 4 liters total. Some other things about this design, everything is kind of meshed to help keep you cool. It also has these 2 buckles. One size fits most, as they say. So a lot of people can wear this. It's good for beginners and experienced runners looking for a new pack. I'm pretty excited about this. I go on long runs on Sunday, so I'm excited to give this thing a try and see how it feels. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.